Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could check them out. Link is going to be down below. Take advantage right now of fast and free shipping. They'll ship this out to you in no time. And especially if you need this product, all you got to do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out, and it'll be shipped by the time you wake up. And also, see what other stuff they have available if you don't need this kind, but they got other stuff too for your home, outdoor, indoor. Definitely check those out and add this to your wish list. But this is what I'm talking about right here. mdxconcepts. Endeavor to pest-free living. I couldn't even see that. There it is. Oh yeah, spiders are gone. I hate spiders with a passion. They hate me too. They always get me. But now, this time, it's comeback time. I will get them eventually. But there's only bugs that really bother me. Except for flies too. I never got stung by a bee. But spiders, I hate. I like Spider-Man. The cartoon and movies are cool. You got beetles, I think, those things. Nasty looking things. But all kinds of pests. Brand new, child and pet safe. But warning, keep away from small children. You know what I mean? They don't need to be touching this. But like 10 and up, it's fine. Home care outdoor. Get rid of these right there. Oh, I hate them. Shake well. Do a little shaky. And this stuff smells really good. We did the unboxing last night on the other, the mice and rat repellent. So, but this is for those little suckers that bite. I don't like those spiders though. Gotta make sure to shake it up. We'll probably go downstairs a little bit, because I know this area pretty well that seem like they like to hang out in. But I've tried everything. I tried those like peppermint bags. Didn't do the job, but definitely this stuff is really effective. You guys do not want to miss out. There you go, peppermint. Yeah, buddy. Peppermint scent. Yeah, because spiders hate peppermint. This should be pretty well shaken by now. And then here's the nozzle. They got the stream sprayed off. Pretty simple, like the others. But this stuff actually works. Let's shake it a lot more. Here we go. Give it a go. Chugga. Choo type deal. There we go. You guys can see what a liquidy. Do not drink this. Do not let your kids drink it or your pets, but it is safe for them. But don't just like give it in a bowl or let a kid drink it out of a bottle. Do not do that. Not cool. There you go. Make sure it's nice and sealed tight so it won't leak on your arm. Okay, so that's pretty simple right there. Oh, Magma Home Pest Spray. Yeah, buddy. 100% natural derived. There you go. Alright, I'm going to go downstairs. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are down in the dungeon part. See, I actually have one of those bags right on top there. They don't really work, but it's winter time here in Michigan, so not too much activity going around. But oh, there's a little spider web right up there. Well, you just gotta spray. I gotta turn it. Oh shoot! There we go. But yeah, this stuff is really good. Good smell, really strong. Definitely worth checking out, YouTubers. Like I said, I hate spiders. I'm sure a lot of you guys do too. But like I said, Spider-Man is cool in the movie. But there you go. Got the little mist action. Oh yeah. So hopefully this summer I'm gonna have less spiders and definitely stock up on this stuff. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good weekend and see you guys soon.